Macaroni. Low-fat milk. Cheddar slices. Chili flakes. Parmesan cheese, optional. Half cup of macaroni. 2 cups of water. Bloop, 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 bloop. Now let it boil. Chop, chop, chop some Parmesan. Pour in 200 ml of low-fat milk. Pour in chopped Parmesan. Blend milk and Parmesan mixture. Ta-da! Macaroni ready. Pour in blended milk and Parmesan. Set to medium heat. Add 2 cheddar slices. Mix it well. Put in macaroni. Stir until it becomes thick. Ready to serve. Add chili flakes. Put desired add-ons.